Imagine a future where traffic jams are a thing of the past and commuting becomes a breeze. Welcome to the Tech Insider, where flying taxis are set to revolutionize the way we move around our cities. In this video, we'll explore 7 cutting-edge flying car projects that are poised to take urban mobility to new heights. Without further delay, let's get started. Number 7. Joby Aviation, pioneering electric air taxis. Joby Aviation, a startup based in California, is at the forefront of the flying car revolution. Their takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft are set to offer fast, quiet, and efficient air taxi services from 2024 onwards. With a range that spans up to 150 miles and a maximum speed of 200 miles per hour, Joby's flying taxis have the potential to make short-distance air travel a reality by connecting centers with airports and other destinations. Through its design and commitment to sustainability, Joby has established itself as a player in the market for urban air mobility. As they navigate through processes and work on building infrastructure, Joby's electric air taxis hold the promise of reshaping how people commute within cities. Number 6. Archer Aviation, Archer's vision for urban air mobility. Another well-known contender in the flying car industry is Archer Aviation, which plans to release its aerial electric vehicle of the vertical takeoff and landing type called Midnight in the United States by 2025. The Midnight is designed to become the superior means of urban air mobility through its environmentally friendly approach, with zero emissions expected of it and considerably less noise as compared to helicopters. Capable of operating in city airspace, flying taxis are predicted to be an innovation of Archer's for a greener means of commute. One crucial aspect of the Waverley Company is that this firm is one of the market leaders that shares the dream of bringing flying cars into the near future. Once Archer begins scaling its technology and gets the necessary regulatory approvals, its Midnight electric aircraft may be a game-changer in the UAM market. Number 5. Lilium, the Lilium Jet, a new era of air mobility. The German venture Lilium is currently working on the Lilium Jet, a fully electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicle that is designed to transport up to 4 passengers. The Lilium Jet is a vehicle for regional air mobility that will allow you to travel from city to suburb and vice versa within 155 miles at a top speed of 175 km/h. By resorting to the ducted fan propulsion system, the Lilium Jet is to be both quiet and efficient in its flights. Lilium's concept is to establish the flow of electric vehicles that could solve the problem of traffic density and decrease the level of emissions. As the company fine-tunes its technology and manages to get the necessary approvals, the Lilium Jet may very well change the regional transport industry for good. Number 4. Volocopter, Volocopter's vision for urban air mobility. Volocopter is a German startup engaged in the attempts to create electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) for use in the urban environment. Their Volocity model is a 2-seater and has a range of 35 km, which is approximately 22 miles. Volocopter is also working on the construction of commercial cargo drones, and the firm intends to start the operation of air taxis in several cities. The first city in which this company will implement the air taxi is Singapore. Basically, the company's priority to safety, reliability, and environment-friendly issues has placed it strategically on the nascent market of urban air mobility. But as Volocopter starts flying and perfecting its Volocity and other eVTOL models, these could prove to be the new visible and efficient additions to the skies of our cities. Number 3. EHang's autonomous aerial vehicles. City flying transport was created by the Chinese company EHanging and concerns the development of autonomous aerial vehicles, AAVs. The EHang 216 is their model that can accommodate only 1 passenger and can travel up to 21 miles. EHang is collaborating with various governments to build UAM structures and intends to introduce the air taxi in cities such as Guangzhou, China. The company's vision of using autonomous flight technology to revolutionize transportation, coupled with its efforts to establish a safe urban air mobility system, have established it as a key player in the flying car industry. Number 2. Hyundai. Hyundai's urban air mobility vision. That plan has been announced by Hyundai, a South Korean car manufacturer, revealing its concept of mobility in the cities of the future. The company has already designed and is in the process of producing electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) and intends to launch an air taxi operation in cities globally. The flying cars from Hyundai are supposed to fit into the concept of mobility in an urban environment that will consist of both vehicles and pavements. The company has strong grounding in automotive engineering as well as sustainable development principles, which has placed it strategically in the UAM market. Number 1. Boeing's autonomous flight technology. Aerospace major Boeing is currently involved in the process of incubating and testing general technologies for the operation of drones in urban airspace. The company has successfully tested the Uber-like autonomous air taxi, or what it terms a passenger air vehicle, PAV, that can carry a single passenger up to 50 miles. Regarding passenger-carrying drones, Boeing is also engaged in the creation of cargo UAVs, looking to incorporate the autonomy idea into various UA mobility concepts. A company that designs, tests and manufactures flying cars would need to possess adequate capital and technical know-how, and Boeing fits this bill due to its position as a leader in aerospace. As safety, reliability and technology are the three main principles of Boeing, autonomous flight technology might be the key to defining the future of urban air transportation systems. These innovative flying car projects, like EHang's autonomous aerial vehicles and Joby Aviation's electric air taxis, have the potential to completely change how we travel throughout our cities. Although there are still obstacles to overcome, like obtaining regulatory approval and building infrastructure, the advantages of urban air mobility are obvious: less traffic, shorter commutes, and a more environmentally friendly transportation system. It's fascinating to think about a time when flying cars will be just as common on the ground as they are now. What do you think about flying taxis? Leave your thoughts below. Thanks for watching.